in you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, so today I'll be sharing 3 easy Valentine's Day nail art, so make sure to subscribe to join Queen Ash family and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's get into it. So I already applied one coat of light pink color. Now I'm gonna apply a second coat on it. Now it's completely dry. I'm gonna start with a small dotting tool dipped in red nail polish. Gonna be making a heart on the tip of a nail. Just drag one dot and another dot right beside it, and then drag the dot together to make a V shape that will create a small heart. And that's it, that's the look. So this look is super easy and one of my favorite. So first of all, I already started off with base coat, and now I'm gonna be making heart. Just dipping the dotty tool into the color and gonna be making 2 hearts on the nail. Once that is dry, now I'm gonna be doing the exact same thing but with a different color. And finish it off with top coat and you are done. For this look, it's super easy. All you're gonna be doing is doing your ring finger and your thumb. So the rest of the nails are simply painted this nice deep red. So starting off, dipping the dotting tool into nail polish, a nice deep red, and making a heart in the center of my nail. Just like that, gonna be continuing and making hearts around the nail, completing it with some negative space. Once it's dry, finish it off with top coat and you're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to be part of Queen Ash family. And don't forget to follow me on my all social platforms. The links will be down below. It's all Aisha Style. Thanks for watching.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.